Welcome to ASIN Analyzer Pro Tips. This is your competitive intelligence weapon for deep diving into any Amazon product. You'll learn to extract maximum insights from competitor analysis, understand market positioning, and identify opportunities others miss. Enter any ASIN to unlock detailed intelligence. The analyzer pulls data from multiple sources, real Amazon metrics, pricing history, review analytics, and competitor positioning. You'll see product details, current pricing, sales rank, review count, and rating trends. But here's what separates pros from amateurs. Look beyond the basic metrics. The analyzer shows BSR history, price fluctuations, review velocity, and seasonal performance patterns. This data reveals a product's true market position. The true power is competitor benchmarking. You'll see how this ASIN performs against category averages, niche benchmarks, and top performers. Conversion efficiency shows how well clicks convert to sales. A 15% efficiency in an 8% average category means this product has superior listing optimization. Study these high performers to understand what works. Analyze your positioning through market insights. Is this product premium, mid-market, or value positioned? Look at the price spread in the category. If products range from $15 to $85, where does this one fit? Use the analyzer to identify opportunities. Low conversion efficiency despite good traffic suggests listing optimization potential. High return rates indicate product quality issues. Seasonal sales patterns reveal timing opportunities. Use the strategic recommendations to launch marketing campaigns, mitigate launch risks, capitalize on growth momentum, and optimize your price spread. High-performing ASINs in declining categories might be short-term wins, but long-term risks. Look for products with strong performance in growing markets. Those are suitable opportunities. As you can see here, the analyzer reveals market saturation through competitor density and performance distribution. If the top 10 products dominate 80% of market share, entry is difficult. If market share is distributed, there's room for new players. Pro tip: analyze multiple ASINs in the same niche to understand market dynamics. Compare top performers to identify success patterns. Look for products with declining performance. They might be vulnerable to competition. Study historical performance trends. Products with consistent growth are safer bets than those with volatile performance. Seasonal products need different strategies than evergreen ones. The ASIN analyzer integrates with every ScalePilot tool. Use insights here to inform profit calculator assumptions, validate niche navigator opportunities, and guide listing optimizer strategies. Master competitive intelligence, and you'll always stay ahead of the competition. The data is there. Now you know how to use it.